Contact us for tailor-made solutions and trust in K-Aqua, quality made in Germany. In the heart of Germany, in Brandoberndorf, stands K-Aqua, a symbol of outstanding water technology. Here, technology and innovation are combined to create the highest quality and precision. We use high-quality granulate to manufacture a wide range of components that impress with their precision and durability. Our modern machines enable us to create customized solutions that are precisely tailored to the needs of our customers. The PP-RCT pipes from K-Aqua are a prime example of German engineering. These pipes are flexible in length and can be used in a wide variety of applications, both indoors and outdoors. Our specialists supervise the entire production process, ensuring maximum efficiency and guaranteeing a smooth workflow. Trust and reliability are our top priorities. Every day we produce a wide range of high-quality pipes and connecting elements with the utmost care, which are quickly and securely packaged and made ready for dispatch. The satisfaction of our customers is our primary goal. Our packaging adheres to all industry standards, while also being as efficient as possible to keep delivery costs low and make sure everything arrives safely. Thanks to our extensive warehouse, deliveries at short notice are also possible at any time. Our team of experts is on hand with help and advice to ensure the successful implementation of your projects. Discover the world of water supply with K-Aqua. The wide range of products makes sure to offer the perfect solution for any use case and even offers the ability for tailor-made solutions. Our products are all extremely resilient, suitable for use both with hot and cold water, and offer a wide range of connection options. Regular quality checks and stringent tests ensure the excellent quality of our products. We use the latest technology to guarantee consistently high standards, because at K-Aqua, we leave nothing to chance. Our production follows the strictest international standards and relies on the most advanced technologies. Quality that convinces, precision that inspires. K-Aqua, your #1 in water technology.